Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door latch on your LG front load washing machine. So it's going to require removing this boot just a little bit and then accessing from the underside there. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so to get this boot out of the way, if you look right underneath here, there's this spring. We're going to use spring removal tools. They're only about 10 bucks on Amazon. And we're going to put one of the prongs in each of these circles here. And then we simply squeeze and it spreads it, and then the spring clamp comes off. So we don't have to take it all the way off, just about half of the way off on this side, and then we're going to take our fingers and just gently peel back the boot just enough that we can fit our hand in behind this latch here. So now we're going to remove these two Phillips head screws. And then when you do the second one, just reach in behind and hold the latch. And then our latch will pop out. All right, so that is our door latch. If we flip it over here, we can see there's a pinch point right here. So we pinch it with our thumb and we wobble it back and forth and out it comes. Then when we grab our new door latch here, we're going to put it on the same way we took it off. Once that clicks on, we're good to go and reinstall it with the screws. All right, so you just got to flip it in the right position. So this opening, this channel is your latch that faces the outside here, and you got your two screw holes on the outside. So we tilt it in and it should line up nice and easy like that. Put your screws in. And we just push against it, make sure it is seated properly. Now let's get this boot back on. So you'll see there's this lip on the inside right here. We need to get the boot to go over top. And this is why we only do one side. It's a little bit easier to remount the boot if you only have to do half of it. Then we grab our spring clamp here and we're going to open it up all the way. And we start by hanging it on the top in the little lip there. Then we just check around, make sure it is properly seated, and make sure you have the spring in the same bottom position, and you'll see the cutout for it on the bottom when you look at it. And that's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.